The weird magnetism of Uranus. The Voyager 2 space probe has found yet another mystery. Hello guys, I'm AK and in this video we are going to some new mysteries discovered by Voyager 2. But actually what happened to Uranus and what do this magnetically weird mean? To get the answers of these questions, you have to watch the full video. Also, in today's video, you will actually know why this Uranus is a white colored planet. Maybe you thought that it's the snow that is white. Even I also thought like this. But this isn't the case. Then why? The answer of it is in the video. So let us start. The atmospheres of planets all over the solar system are leaking into space. The hydrogen springs from Venus to join the solar wind. Continuous stream of particles escaping the sun is called the solar wind. Jupiter and Saturn eject their electrically charged air. Even the Earth's atmosphere leaks. But there's no need to worry, it will stick around for another billion years or so. The effects are tiny on human time scales, but given long enough, atmospheric escape can fundamentally alter a planet's fate. This is what actually happened with Mars. Mars used to be a wet planet with thick atmosphere, but it evolved over time. 4 billion years of leakage to space to become the dry planet we see today. Atmospheric escape is driven by a planet's magnetic field, which can both help and hinder the process. Scientists believe magnetic fields can protect a planet fending off the atmosphere's stripping blasts of the solar wind. So that means it can also be a protector of the planet. To understand how atmospheres change, scientists pay close attention to magnetism. That's one more reason Uranus is such a mystery. Voyager 2's 1986 flyby revealed just how magnetically weird the planet is. Unlike any other planet in our solar system, Uranus spins almost perfectly on its side, completing a full roll, that is one day on planet in once every 17 hours. Its magnetic field axis points 60 degrees away from the spin axis, so as the planet spins, its magnetosphere wobbles like a poorly thrown football. The space curved by the magnetic field is called the magnetosphere. This means the magnetic field of Uranus is not stable enough. The gravity can curve the space, slowing down the time. So, the magnetosphere of any heavenly body can curve the space. The Voyager 2's magnetometer readings monitored the strength and direction of the magnetic fields near Uranus. The data showed a tiny zigzag with a big stone. So, is this a plasmoid? A gigantic blob of plasma is called a plasmoid. They are in important way planets lose their mass. A confirmed plasmoid has been detected at Uranus. This means the mass of Uranus is decreasing. It will gradually decrease, but it will not decrease very fast and become a dwarf planet. So let us move to the next topic. Why is Uranus white? It is not the white snow which makes it look white. The methane in the atmosphere of Uranus absorbs the red wavelengths of light. So the visible light which reflects Uranus doesn't have the red wavelengths. But then Saturn and Jupiter also contain methane. Then why they aren't white like Uranus? That depends on the quantity and where it is present. There is only less amount of methane on Uranus, but it's on the top of its surface, so it is white. But the light which is reflected through the surface of the Uranus and which hits the telescopes, the camera of the telescopes, is white. But the Jupiter also has almost same amount of methane, then why it is not looking white on the camera telescopes? That's because the methane present is not on the top. It is somewhere under the clouds of Jupiter. So, as I said, the placement also matters. Similarly, Saturn has even less amount of methane in its atmosphere, and also it is not on the top of its whole atmosphere. But if we go deeper, one of the Saturn's moon Titan has lakes and rivers of methane on its surface. So, could some other kind of life be possible on Titan? The Cassini probe, which was sent to Saturn as its orbiter on 1997, had found this out. The video about Cassini probe and of course life on Titan will come on next Friday. So to watch it, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so you will get notified when it will be uploaded. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.